Welcome from the Data Protection Cafe in the heart of Munich. Today, we will discuss what the data protection principles are under the GDPR and why, as a company, you need to pay attention to them. Find out more in today's video. The GDPR outlines its core principles in Article 5, Paragraph 1 of the General Data Protection Regulation, a key component of data privacy legislation. Once again, here is a concise summary of the 5 central aspects that were mentioned in the article, as mentioned below. On one hand, legality, good faith, transparency. The data subject must know the reason why their data is being processed, on what basis, and by whom it is being processed. Data minimization is the act of using the least amount of data necessary. Purpose limitation stipulates that data can only be processed for the initially intended purpose and cannot be used for any other purposes without proper authorization. In terms of accuracy, the data subject is entitled to request the correction of any inaccurately stored data. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of the data, ensuring its reliability and security are upheld at all times. The data subject possesses the entitlement to have their data processed in a secure and protected manner. What is the significance of this for me as a company, and why should I even care about it? Now, Article 5 also has a paragraph 2, which you can find displayed here, and paragraph number 2 specifically states that a company is obligated to implement these principles and be able to provide tangible evidence of their compliance if deemed necessary. This is commonly known as accountability. It is insufficient to merely act in accordance with data protection regulations, but one must also have the ability to demonstrate it if required. Hence, businesses are strongly recommended to safeguard their own data protection procedures with documentation. Ultimately, all will be well, and if things are not well, then it is not yet the end. Article number 5 provides a concise summary of the fundamental principles that companies are expected to adhere to. Companies have the obligation to adhere to these principles and also possess the ability to demonstrate their compliance in order to fulfill their obligations. This signifies that the accountability mandates them to uphold proper documentation internally within their organization. What else has happened in data protection? The European Data Protection Board recently initiated the consultation phase for a new guidelines paper on handling data breach notifications. This means that you can still participate in the consultation. Link provided in the description. Thank you for your attention.